What are you studying trees?
Well, I find them very interesting. First of all, because I think they are ancient species that can give us an idea of how the world was long ago. And also, I think that they are very important to the ecosystems because they function as climate regulators and they are the home for many animals and even other plants.
Why are you so interested in birds?
Well, actually, I don't have a definitive answer for that. I've really always liked them. I find them very attractive, and um, I really like seeing how they act. You know, their behavior and stuff. And well, mostly I'm interested on conserving them because they're very important for forests. They're very important for ecosystems. They have very important ecological services. So yeah, It's very important to keep up doing studies about them, to create more awareness about their importance and their roles on ecosystems. What did I today in the field?
Very, very good, yeah. And how was your day?
Well, it didn't go as I expected. I was looking for the aracaris and I didn't find any of them. I think it was because I got too late. I got up too late. Should have got more earlier. So yeah, I'll try to again tomorrow. How was your day, Juanra?
It was really good. I went to measure some trees and I found a bullet ant that almost got into my hand. And it was kind of scary, but fortunately did, all went well. Yeah, and yeah, that are some of the difficulties that you face on the field, and they may be some animals hiding in the vegetation, and it can be kind of dangerous.
So this is an anolis species, is like one of the most diverse genus from neotropics. So what we have here is an stock thread that sometimes, especially on lizards, when this happens on the part of the arms, they can lose their fingers.
Did you find something interesting?
Yes, I only found a lizard that has a very interesting pattern in the dorsal part of the lizard that have like a cryptic coloration that helps to mix out with the vegetation. So that's the only thing I found. But yeah, so I heard that Pablo have a crazy encounter with a snake.
Yeah, well, I was searching for a toucan actually, and right in a palm tree in front of me, there was an eyelash viper coiled up in the roots, and it was kind of a scare at first, but it was actually pretty awesome to see it, cause you usually watch this on TV, and it's pretty exciting to watch it in real life. So yeah.
The tropics are undoubtedly one of the best places to study ecology. The vibrant diversity presents many interesting study systems. It's a tough journey that requires a lot of perseverance and determination, but the wonders you see every day compensate for it all. Research stations like La Selva provide the best opportunity for advancing ecological research in the heart of the rainforest. If you are interested in adding to our knowledge of tropical biology, please join us at La Selva.